Hello everyone, you're welcome to Blast channel. My name is Kingsley and I'm excited to share another tutorial with you today. If you're new here, please consider subscribing and clicking on the notification bell so that you don't miss out on future videos like this one. In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable this image extension. I just installed this D7 theme, of which is requesting, you can see one of the PHP module that is required is the IMAGICK. To quickly get this installed, what you're going to do is just to head over to our Cpanel. So right now I'm on my Cpanel. So what we're going to now do is to just search for PHP selector. Just search for select PHP version. So just search for select PHP version. Once you get that, you just click on it and it's going to open up for you. So once it opens up, the next thing we are going to be doing is just to ensure you click on extensions, waiting for it to load up. So you click on extension. So once you click on extension, you're going to see under the eye, that's where you're going to see what you're going to just do is just to click on it to actually install it. So once it's finished loading, you're going to see the notification over here. So you can see it has installed it. So now what I'm going to do, just come over here and reload to see if it will still prompt this particular error. So I'm just going to reload this particular site and see. So you can see after reloading, the error is no longer there. So it's no longer prompting that I should install that PHP module again. So you can see this is the way to install the image extension on your website. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like it, share it and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that you get notified each time I upload content like this. So this is where I'm going to stop in this particular video. Catch you in the next one. Until next time, bye for now.